Imagine sitting at your computer, ready to explore the world with just a few keystrokes. The screen glows softly, inviting you to ask anything you want, and you feel a sense of curiosity about what might happen next. You start typing a question for an AI, wondering how it will respond. Maybe you're looking for a simple answer, or maybe you're hoping for something a little more creative. You ask, "What's the weather like?" The AI replies, "Sunny." It's a straightforward answer, just what you expected. But then, your curiosity takes over. You decide to ask, what if the weather had feelings? Suddenly, the conversation shifts from ordinary to imaginative. The AI describes a sunny day that feels happy and warm, like a cozy blanket wrapped around you. It paints a picture that's both unexpected and delightful, making you smile at your screen. Talking to AI can be like stepping into a funhouse. Sometimes the answers make you laugh out loud. Sometimes again, sir, iri, in churken, gen karken, churdy chur, son cern, iri you jurkun chow beding sama sark or fur be, iri genshib din score jurd and stirrup and birded. You're so with a jurd their creativity or wit. The way you ask questions changes everything. A simple tweak in your words can open up a whole new world of responses. Just a few words can turn an ordinary response into something extraordinary, sparking your imagination and making the experience truly your own. Each conversation with AI is unique, shaped by your words, your curiosity, and your willingness to explore new ideas. The excitement lies in the unexpected. You never know what you'll get, and that's what makes every interaction so much fun. It's like opening a mystery gift. Sometimes it's exactly what you expect. Other times, it's delightfully different. With AI, every question is a new adventure, and the possibilities are endless. Prompt engineering is like being a maestro of words, orchestrating language to guide artificial intelligence toward the answers you seek. It's not just about asking questions, it's about asking the right questions in the right way to unlock the full potential of AI. You craft questions to coax the best responses from AI, shaping your prompts with intention and creativity. The more thoughtfully you design your prompt, the more insightful and useful the AI's response will be. For example, if you simply ask, "Write a poem about cats," you might get a straightforward, generic answer. The AI will do what you ask, but it may not surprise you. But if you say, "Write a sonnet about a cat who dreams of being a lion," you invite the AI to be more imaginative, and you'll get a response that's richer, more creative, and full of personality. The prompt is your key. Specific, imaginative details unlock richer answers. The more context and direction you provide, the more the AI can tailor its response to your needs. It's a dance between clarity and creativity, with the AI following your lead. You set the tone, the style, and the boundaries, and the AI responds in kind. Understanding prompt engineering is like learning a new language. It's about shaping reality with words, and discovering how your phrasing can influence the outcome. The right prompt can turn a simple question into an adventure, opening doors to unexpected insights and creative possibilities you never imagined. Let's look at how creative prompts spark unexpected answers. These prompts are designed to push the boundaries of conventional thinking and encourage out-of-the-box ideas. Someone asked, if a giraffe wore a tie, where would it go? This whimsical question led to some truly imaginative responses. The AI imagined a giraffe at a business meeting, tie stretching up its long neck. It painted a vivid picture that made everyone smile. Another asked, describe the taste of happiness. This prompt opened the door to a sensory exploration. The AI said it was like cotton candy on a sunny day, melting gently, leaving a sweet trace of joy. This description resonated with many. These prompts break the mold and lead to delightful narratives. They encourage us to see the world through a different lens. The unpredictability of AI responses is what makes this so intriguing. Each answer is a unique blend of logic and creativity. With the right prompts, you can uncover layers of creativity in both yourself and the AI. It's a journey of discovery that can lead to surprising and delightful outcomes. Picture yourself as a wizard with words, conjuring stories from thin air. Each prompt is a spell, and the AI's response is the magic. Prompt engineering transforms mundane interactions into magical experiences. The AI is your magical creature, waiting for the right incantation. Like spells, prompts have power. They can create, transform, and surprise. A well-crafted prompt turns a simple query into a vivid tapestry of ideas. Every interaction with AI becomes an adventure. It's not just about answers. it's about experiencing the wonder of creation. With every prompt, you unlock new worlds and stories. Why does prompt engineering matter? Because it shapes our interactions with AI. The way we phrase questions determines the richness of the answers. A simple prompt leads to a basic reply. A complex one unlocks deeper insights. Prompt engineering empowers us to guide AI in meaningful ways. It bridges human creativity and machine intelligence. In a world where AI is everywhere, prompt engineering is a valuable skill. Ready to try prompt engineering? Here are some tips. Be specific. The more detail you give, the richer the AI's response. Be creative. Ask unusual questions and think outside the box. Experiment with wording, tone, and style to see how responses change. This experimentation helps you understand how AI interprets language. Most importantly, have fun with it. Prompt engineering is about enjoyment and exploration. Let your curiosity guide you. There's no right or wrong way, just endless possibilities. Looking ahead, prompt engineering holds immense potential. It will shape how AI evolves and how we collaborate with machines. Imagine AI that not only responds to prompts but creates its own. The line between human and AI creativity may blur, leading to new forms of art and storytelling. Prompts could evolve beyond words, incorporating visuals, sounds, or emotions. This opens new avenues for expression, making AI a true creative partner. As AI grows, so does our ability to harness its power through prompt engineering. The world of AI is vast, and with the right prompts, it's ours to discover.